I'm Sean. I recently completed my apprenticeship in hospitality and I'm really happy to have been nominated for these awards. I'd like to thank everyone who voted, really appreciate it, so thank you guys. I decided to become an apprentice so that I could learn as much as I can about the hospitality industry and just gain a lot of knowledge and gain qualifications to further my career. My original plan in life was I wanted to be a musician, but I realised it's hard to make money off it, so I got myself a part-time job washing dishes, and the rest is history. When I started washing pots, I could see the chefs doing what they were doing, and I was really interested, and it just made me want to become a chef as well. This apprenticeship has made me gain a lot of confidence. Before I started the apprenticeship, I lacked a lot in confidence, but now I'm full of it. I'd say the best thing about my apprenticeship, the highlight is probably winning the seafood competition in 2019. That was an amazing experience. I was very nervous before doing it, but once I got there, I was fine, and yeah, I nailed it and won. Yeah. So now that I've completed my apprenticeship, my plans for the future is obviously move on to the next level of the NVQ. So I'm going to start doing my level 3 NVQ in professional cookery, and then obviously just work hard, progress and learn as much as I can. I'd definitely recommend an apprenticeship to my co-workers and my friends because it enables you to learn a lot more and you gain qualifications, and it's really good for your career progress. It feels amazing to have won the award for the hospitality sector and the Welsh award as well. I'm really happy about it, wasn't expecting to win, but yeah, happy days, thanks guys.